Beef Stroke. This is not just a burger, it is an explosion of flavor between two toasted buns. Piled high with caramelized onions, creamy cheese sauce, tangy pickled jalapenos, salsa, and a cool touch of sour cream. Let's slice into this beef bomb. Totally a flavor explosion. This is good. And with that burger, let's try some loaded beef fries. Your choice of birria or honey barbecue beef stacked high on golden fries with cheese sauce. Let's get into this. Oh my word, there's so much meat. Look at all that cheese. This with a burger? Absolutely amazing. Enjoy.